Before to see next element of a map, that is colors and symbols, we have to see legend or key used in map. To understand the symbols and colors used in a map, most maps have a legend or a key. The legend explains what each of the symbols used stand for. It also explains what the colors represent. Means key or legend is used to understand the for what that symbols and colors used in map. The legend is literally the key to the map. It unlocks the secret of the map. Look at the map of world given here. Use the key to understand the map. Means with the help of key or legend we can understand map very easily. Here this dark green color shows very hot and wet area, and we can understand with the help of this key or legend given to the map. These different colors are used to different climatic region, and here this Greenland is shown in violet color, and in this area is very cold. We can understand by this key given in the map. See here violet color shows very cold area, means different color shows different climatic region of the world. Now we have to see next element of a map, that is colors. Certain standard colors are used in map to show features such as oceans, seas, mountains, plains and deserts, etc. Means for different features we can use different standard colors to show that. First, water bodies are always shown in blue. Deep blue shows deep waters and light blue shows shallow waters. Means for deep blue color shows deep waters, and for shallow waters we can use light blue color. These are the standard colors used for water bodies. Now next, mountains and highlands are shown in brown and yellow. Dark brown shows high mountains and light brown shows lower mountains and hills. Means for high mountains we are using dark brown color, and for lower mountains and hills light brown color is there, and yellow shows plateaus. These are the standard colors used in maps. Plains and lowlands are shown in green color. Like this we can use some certain standard colors in maps. Now we have to see next element of a map, that is symbols. You may have observed different symbols used in map. For what that symbols are used, we have to see. To make it easier to show features and places on a map, certain standard symbols are used in maps. A symbol is a shape or sign that is used to represent something. For example, to show a church on a map, we can just put a cross at the spot instead of writing the word church there. Like this, for different places, we can use different shapes or symbols to represent different places. For example, for hospitals, for houses, for bank, we can use different symbols. The symbols make it easier to read and understand maps. Once we are familiar with these, understanding a map becomes easier. Means with the help of using these symbols, it becomes very easy to read and understand maps, and we can save our time for writing the words. Look at the map on page 11. Note the symbol that have been used. I will show this map, and in this map different colors are used to different places. See here, for market green color is used. For hospitals, here violet color is used. For police station, different color is used. For fire station, orange color is used. Means in a map we can use different standard colors, and here in this map different symbols are used. Here this symbol shows buildings. This symbol shows pavement, means roads. This symbol shows trees. This symbol shows grass. This symbol shows shown here. This symbol shows earth wall. These are the side walls. means we can use different symbols in a map to represent different places. Given below are some of the standard symbols used in maps. You have to observe, you have to see these symbols for different features, and you have to draw these symbols 2 times in your CW.